Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am Walgreen. So I recently have went to Walgreens and I picked up a few makeup items. I bought this like a while ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys. This is by Wet n Wild. They have a feature with Bretman Rock. So this is the palette. These are all the funky colors. I also picked up a lip gloss. This is in the style Freaky. And then I have a loose highlighter. This is called Jungle Rock. So I'm gonna sample all these and all that good jazzy stuff. So if you wanna see how this look turns out, keep on watching. So I prime my eyes with using the P. Louise base. I am using it in the color 0.5. So I am going to go in, I think I want to sample this shade. I'm going to see how that's going to apply. I'm going to apply my tape. I feel weird about my tape. I don't use tape on my clients, but I have to use it on myself. That's weird. This color applies very pigmented. I really like that. So I'm going to keep building it on my eye and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I built up both the colors on both lids. Next, I'm going to go in with my second shade. I think I want to go in with this color. I already used this one. I think I want to do this color. So let's see how that's going to go. It's definitely showing up. On camera, it appears to darken this pink shade, but to me, it gives it contrast and definition, so it's still a plus either way. So I'm going to continue to build both eyes, and I'll be right back to show you guys the final results. All I'm doing is putting the color basically right here. That's all I'm doing. So 1 second. Okay, so I darkened up the inner eye part. So I'm now going to go in with a lid color. I wanted to do a cut crease, but I don't think I want to do a cut crease. I think I want to just keep it simple. So let me think about what shade. What you guys think what color I should do? You know what? Let me swatch these two and show this to you. My nails are jacked up, but I'll sacrifice embarrassment just to show you guys. You guys see my fingers? This green looks popping. I think I'm gonna go in with the green. So I sprayed my brush with the Rimmel London Stay Matte. I always use this for my brushes. I never use it on my face, so don't ask me how that works. Never did. I also want to do another color. I think I want to do that gold. So I'm going to spray my brush again. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, y'all. I have no idea. So I think I want to sample this gold right here. this, I am going to go ahead and throw on some lashes and finish my face. I'll be right back. Okay, YouTube, I am back. I finished my face. So I am going to do these two products on camera for you guys. But first, I need to do my under eye and all that good jazzy stuff. So the shade I'm going to go in with is this same shade I use for my eyelids. Check it out. So I'm just going to dip in that. And I'm just going to lightly put it underneath my eyes. All I'm doing is trying to give it the appearance of me trying to smoke out my eyes. Dude, this accent be getting in my way sometimes, y'all. And after that, this Texas bloodline coming out. Okay, I'm gonna put mascara on my bottom lash. Booyah, check me out. And then I like to do my moles because I have 3 moles on my skin, and I like to show them off even when I'm wearing makeup. So I got a mole right there, and I got one right here, and you can't see the other one, but it's right here. So I'm going to go in with my MAC. This is my favorite lip liner. I've been trying to find cheaper versions, but nah, I'm good. Just gonna stick to MAC. So I'm going to line my lips real quick. Oh, and just so you know, before I did this video, I already moisturized my lips and all that good jazzy stuff. So, y'all. Go and use my go-to brown Kat Von D chocolate brown matte lipstick. Oh, my mind went blank, y'all. And I could not find my go-to nude pink, so I'm gonna go with this. This should match this eye look. So y'all, let me go ahead and do all that. And don't. Yeah, just let me do that. Stay tuned. Popping. Yeah. Okay, but anyway. All right, so I'm going to go in with this next. Now, I gotta figure out how to get this off, this wrapper off. Don't do this, y'all. This is gonna mess up y'all teeth. Don't do it. All right, got it off. So let's see. Oh, it has like it's like a purple glittery 3D iridescent type thing to it. I'm just adding this to the pink part. So to me, it's like a clear gloss with a pink sheen with purple glitter in it, kind of. So this is how it's looking. Next, we're gonna go in with a Wet n Wild. This is a highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you guys. So it has two different shades in it. One is this pink and glitter shade, pink and gold shade, and the other one is just plain gold. So I'm gonna go with the pink and gold shade. So I'm gonna use like this fan brush, and I'm gonna see how that's gonna work. I'm gonna like shake it up a little bit. Let me close it up and then do it. Okay, some got on there. Okay, so I'm just gonna sweep the brush on here. I ain't trying to make a mess, y'all. Ooh. So can y'all see that little shine right there? Pop in, pop in. So yes, this is the final look and all that good jazzy stuff. Check out my hair. Check it out. So I'm going to show you guys my makeup too. So overall, my thoughts on this palette is that I really like it. I am impressed. This is a Walgreens makeup eyeshadow palette, and I am shocked that it looks this good on my eyelid. I only paid $14, I believe. 14 or 19. I'm thinking I paid $14. And it is so beautiful. Look at the, like, this is popping. Popping. I have no cons whatsoever on this palette. This is a great, excellent palette for anyone who's on a budget and wants to slay. This is the high top-notch palette to use for beginners because the color is very pigmented. Like, it's not, you won't be disappointed at all with this palette. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment and all of that, and let me know how you like this look, and let me know also comment if there's more palettes that's affordable like this in Walgreens. My Walgreens only had this, so I want to know some more products that Walgreens has that's not in my Walgreens, but probably I can get online. So let me know, loves, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.